First, search for the logo. Take the logo-sized canvas. Click on Create a blank page. Click on Elements. Search for a semicircle. Go to the Graphics section and add this element. Rotate it 90 degrees. Adjust its size and position. Go to Elements. Add a square shape. Change its color to black. Now we will create the letter G using these square shapes. After this, go to Elements. Search for a quarter circle. Add this element. Resize the element to match the width. Adjust its position. Crop this element from the bottom to match the alignment. After this, duplicate the square shape to make the letter K. Now, select these two elements, duplicate and group them. Change their color to white. Click on Position, then send them to the back. Next, send these two squares to the back. Now, adjust the element's position. Now, duplicate and place square shape to adjust upper alignment. Change its color to white. Our Monogram logo design is ready. Now, download this design in PNG format. After this, go to Google. Search for Adobe Firefly. Open the Firefly website. Scroll down and choose Text-to-Image Creation. First, type your prompt in the prompt section. Click on Generate. Firefly will automatically generate a logo using AI. Choose any one of them as a style reference. Go to the Composition section. Click on Upload Image and upload your logo. Maximize all these options. Go to Effect. Select All. Scroll down and choose the Hyper-Realistic theme. Now, click on Generate to generate your 3D logo. Choose your desired one and click on the download icon to download your 3D logo. In this way, you can easily create a 3D monogram logo using AI. Thank you for joining me in this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments, and I'll see you in the next video.